Hello, I'm Martin Bouma with the Bouma Group Realtors here in downtown Ann Arbor. Well, today I would like to invite you to our home seller workshop. Having been in the business for 38 years, I found that home sellers who've been in their homes for a long time have a lot of anxiety about making a move, and they're just sort of overwhelmed by the entire process. They're thinking about, what are we going to do with our stuff, right? What kind of repairs do we have to make to get our house ready for sale? Where are we going to move to? Timing. All these sort of things are things that just become very overwhelming. Well, that's what we're going to do. We're going to demystify the total home selling process for you, and that's what the home seller workshop is going to do for you. We're going to start with home staging. We're going to talk about repairs. What kind of repairs do you make? What kind of repairs do you not make? We want to make sure you don't spend money in the wrong places. We're going to talk about timing. A lot of people think that when the flowers come up, that's the best time to put your home on the market. However, that is also the time that a lot of the other home sellers put their homes on the market. Now, we have all the stats and data that we will share with you when you're ready to put your home on the market, so we can determine when is the best time to do so. We're going to learn about pricing your home so that we can get the most people through your property. And we're going to talk about overpricing your property, which puts the buyer in the driver's seat. We're going to learn about marketing and what do we do to create the widest net so we can get the most eyeballs on your property. And then finally, we're talking about the photography that we do. We have a professional photographer that does inside and outside still photos. We have drone aerial photography, narrated videos, and then also the three-dimensional iGuide home tours. So there's a lot more to talk about. We're going to be there for an hour and a half to discuss these items, and then I'm going to stick around for about 30 minutes afterwards should you have any questions. So if you're interested, why don't you go to bouma.com/homesellerworkshop, and you can fill out a reservation there, or you can use a QR code, which is at the end of this video. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you.